we'll guide you through how to add texture in Blender using the latest methods and interface. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. Select the object you want to texture, then go to the top and switch to the Shading workspace. You'll see a node editor at the bottom, and this is where you'll add your texture. Click on the Add menu, hover over Texture, and select Image Texture. This will create a new node. You need to connect this node to the base color input of the principled BSDF shader, which should already be connected to the Material Output node by default. Now, click Open on the Image Texture node and select the image file you want to use as a texture. Once your image is loaded, you'll see it applied to your object in the 3D viewport. For more control, you can switch to the UV editing workspace to adjust how your texture wraps around the object. Make sure to select your object, then press U and choose Unwrap to create or modify the UV map. You can tweak the UV islands in the left panel to make the texture fit perfectly. If you want to add more complex textures, consider using the Mix Shader or Bump node for additional effects. Experiment with these tools to achieve the exact look you want. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.